Hello again. Today we're going to go over how to install a World of Warcraft user interface mod. The first thing you want to do is download the user interface mod. There's many of them available from the guild website at www.hohaguild.com. That's www.hohaguild.com. In this particular case, I have downloaded Decursive, and this is the open zip file for Decursive. Once I have the file, I want to navigate to the World of Warcraft folder. So I'm going to open my computer, and I'm going to navigate there. So usually it's under C drive, and then it's under program files. You'll notice that I have two of them because I have a 64-bit system, so usually you'll only see one. You're going to navigate till you find World of Warcraft. There it is. And then you're going to look for Interface folder. I'll zoom this up so you can see it. The Interface folder. Then the Add-ons folder. And this is all the add-ons that I have listed in my system right now. If you've never installed a WoW UI mod, then you're only going to see stuff that starts with Blizzard. Okay? But once again, I have some, so I already have some there. I'm going to take the file, and I'm going to drag and click it to the base, and you'll actually input. As you can see, it's right there now. Once I have done that, I'm going to start World of Warcraft. It's going to load up, and I'm going to start. I do want to say that you do not want to install UI mods while WoW is running. Okay? I'm just hiding my screen for a second, but I'm going to log in. Okay? Once you log in, you want to click on Add-ons. And then you want to make sure that you have Load Out-of-Date Add-ons selected. And you want to make sure that you click Enable All. If you have installed more, you have a bunch of them that you're installing, just make sure you go to the one you just installed, find it, and make sure it's there. Once you have done that, click OK. And then you'll just be able to enter in with your normal character, whoever you want to log in with. I'm going to log in with Code Monkey. Now, if for some reason you make it to that screen and you have not seen the option that the mod you just installed, you want to make sure you go through the steps and confirm that it is in fact inside your add-ons folder. Okay? Also, you want to make sure that the mod itself is in there and not a package of mods. So if you open this up, you should see something that looks like this. If you see a bunch of folders that look like this, then it probably has been packaged out differently. And you just want to take the folders that are in here and move them over to the add-ons folder. So it's in the top layer. Generally, you'll see a folder named libs, one named textures. I'll just show you a couple of them so you can see some of the differences. Once again, libs and some weird files. This one doesn't have one because it's not a master file, actually. Atlas is a good choice. It has some docs because there's some documentation on like the updates and stuff. Images for the pictures that you see inside the mod. Locale, which is very much like libs, except these are predetermined saves of settings. So you don't need to worry about that too much, but that's kind of what you're looking for. Once you're in the game, I'll just open this up a little bit bigger. Most mods, if you type in slash and then the name of the mod, so like Decursive, will actually bring up a set of options. Let me unlock my window and whoops, not do that. I want to drag it. Come on. There we go. and you can actually see some of the options that it would have. If you wanted to, you could actually go in here and do slash decursive, and then let's say we went for about, because that was one of the options, space about. You can actually see that it would pop up. Okay. Uh, Also, most mods will either display in a foobar if you have it, like this one right here, or it will actually show somewhere around the outside of the edge. Not true for all. Some mods do require you to be in a raid group like the cursive does in order for it actually display and be effective. But if I wanted to, I'm just scrolling through the list here. It looks like I can... Oh, there is a foobar menu option, so it's probably somewhere in my foobar. There it is right there. See? Decursive. So I just mouse over it. If I right-click on it, I'll be able to actually see what are the options I have for that particular mod. In later episodes, we'll actually go over specific mods that the whole Hug Guild traditionally uses, and we will discuss, how to configure and set up these mods for different things. Feel free to go ahead and do most of the options you want, play with it. As you saw in Decursive, there is a reset option to the default values. Many mods actually have that, and looks like there's actually a little thing that pops up here for it. Priority list, skip list, hide the window. You can all see the options. Thanks again. Talk to you later.